Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to make a retro style dollhouse fridge with invisible hinge. The first thing that you want to do is cut and label all of your pieces. Glue and clamp the 3 pieces of top one, which will go to the top of the fridge, so you don't want to have any gaps. Glue and clamp the 2 pieces of bottom one. These will go at the bottom of the fridge. Glue the bottom 2 piece to bottom one, making sure there is a 1/16 of an inch lip on each side. Take the assembled bottom piece and attach the 2 pieces of side one. Then attach the back piece. Then attach the top 2 piece. Next, attach the top 1 piece to the top of the fridge and make sure everything is square. Now we are ready to attach the fabric hinge. My fridge will have a right hinge, but you can put yours on the left if you want. Glue the fabric alongside the fridge and make sure it's all flat. Glue the fabric to the door 1 piece and make sure there is a 1/16 of an inch offset. You can achieve this offset by propping the fridge body on top of a 1/16 inch basswood while keeping the door 1 piece flush on the table. Make sure the door is aligned with the body at the top of the fridge. Attach the door 2 piece to door 1 and make sure to align them on the outer edges. Clamp the door pieces together to minimize any gaps. Glue and insert the side 2 pieces to the fridge body. If necessary, you can sand off a little bit at the top to make it fit easier. Apply a little bit of glue along the inner edge of door 2 where it meets the fabric. Press the fabric to the door 2 edge from the outside as well. Secure the whole fridge with rubber bands while keeping everything aligned. Now it's time to shape the fridge. Sand the top edges to follow the shape of the door. Use a coarse grit sandpaper first, followed by a finer grit. Then, sand the edges of the door to make them slightly rounded. Now we can paint our fridge. I've already spray painted the outside, and now it's time to paint the inside. The fridge will have a magnetic closure. First, glue a metal thumbtack to the inner side of the fridge. Using super glue, attach a small magnet to the inside of the door, making sure it's aligned to the thumbtack. Make sure the magnet sits 1/8 of an inch away from the edge of the door. For the handle, cut a stick of basswood and sand it to shape and paint it silver. Glue the handle to the outside of the fridge and we're done. I hope this is helpful. Be sure to visit my website at dillyDallyDollhouse.com for more tutorials and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching.